You certainly know almond oil, but do you know its benefits and how to use it? This is what you are going to learn in today's video. Almond oil is a vegetable oil extracted from almonds. We recently talked about the benefits of almond flour on the channel. Did you watch the video? Almond usually refers to the fruit of the almond tree, Prunus dulcis. However, the almond is the seed found inside the fruit of this tree. That is, the almond is inside the almond tree's fruit. Did you know there are two types of almond trees? One has sweet fruits, the other has bitter fruits. Depending on the type of seed, we extract the vegetable oil and essential oil. Sweet almonds are used mainly for sweet almond oil and offer many health benefits. The bitter almonds are mostly used for the essential oil. Isn't it curious? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Almond oil can be used in many different ways and offers many benefits for the skin and hair. Some of them are: hydrates the skin, making it softer; improves the elasticity of the skin, preventing wrinkles; has anti-inflammatory and soothing action for the skin; recovers the natural oiliness of the skin; hydrates nail cuticles; deeply hydrates the hair; repairs damaged and dry hair; reduces volume and eliminates frizz from hair; makes hair softer and glossier; defines curls; fights dandruff and dry, flaky scalp. See how many benefits? This is why sweet almond oil is a favorite among pregnant women. You can find almond oil in drugstores, supermarkets, natural health stores, and cosmetic stores. To get even better results, make sure you are buying pure almond oil. Watch soon a video teaching you the right way of using almond oil on your skin and hair. If you have used it before, share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.